In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set different wallpapers from your home and lock screen on different focus modes. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, lock your screen, then tap on the screen to wake up your device, and then just hold down on your lock screen to open up that edit mode. Here you can switch between your lock screens, and there you can tap on plus sign to create new. I'll just add here some lock screen from featured. I'll select that one. Then I can tap on add, set wallpaper pair, and now I can set specific focus mode for that lock screen. I can tap here where it says focus and then select, for example, work. Now I can close focus modes selector, and here, as you can see, now I got three presets for my wallpapers. The first is do not disturb, the second is just regular focus mode, and the third is work. So now I can tap somewhere here to go out of this mode, and then I can unlock my device, and from control center just swipe from the top right corner. Here I can hold down on focus and then set select any focus mode, let it be do not disturb, and here, as you can see, the wallpaper is changed. And in that way I can, for example, deselect any focus mode, so turn on regular focus mode to change the wallpaper. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.